Hello everyone, myself Nagashree from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today we are going to learn about operating systems and their types. Contents we are going to discuss today are Introduction to Operating System, Mobile Operating System, Desktop Operating System, difference between Mobile Operating System and Desktop Operating System. So let us learn about operating systems. Mobile and computer operating system are developed in different ways and for different purposes. Computer operating systems are older and have higher spread and penetration among larger group of people. Microsoft Windows and Apple Mac OS have emerged as two major operating systems, and there were some open source operating systems also like Linux, FreeBSD, OpenBSD and GNU. Computer operating systems are not designed for usage on mobile use over wireless networks. The mobile operating system is a newer concept in many ways. The mobile OS has built on what computer OS has already been accomplished. Today we look at major differences between mobile operating system and desktop operating system. So let us learn about desktop operating system. An operating system is the software that allows a user to run crucial applications on computing device. It helps to manage computer system hardware and software resources. It supports basic functions such as scheduling tasks, controlling peripherals, printing, input or output, and memory allocation. The operating system acts as an intermediary between program and the computer hardware. Some operating systems require installation or may be pre-installed with purchased computers. Modern operating systems use graphical user interface. A graphical user interface lets you use mouse to click icons, buttons and menus, and everything is displayed on screen using a combination of graphics and text. Types of operating system. Desktop operating system. Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows operating was launched in mid of 1980s. There are different versions of Windows, and the most recent ones are Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7 and Windows Vista. Windows comes preloaded on most of new PCs, which makes it the most popular operating system in the world. Mac OS. Mac OS is another popular operating system created by Apple. It comes preloaded on all Macintosh computers. Some major versions include Mojave, High Sierra, and Sierra. Desktop operating system components: monitor, printer, mouse, game console, hard drive, application. The functions of desktop OS: memory management, processor management, device or hardware management, run software application, data management, provides user interface, time management, interrupt handling. So these are some types of operating system, desktop operating systems. So let us learn about mobile operating systems. A mobile operating system is an operating system which helps to run application software on mobile devices. It is similar to desktop operating system to some extent but simpler and lightweight compared to their counterpart. The operating system found on smartphones include Symbian OS, iPhone OS, RIMS, BlackBerry, etc. Android, WebOS, and Miyamo are derived from Linux operating system. The iPhone OS is originated from BSD and Next Step. Both are related to Unix. Mobile operating system combine features of computer and handheld devices. They typically contain a cellular built-in modem and SIM tray for telephony and internet services. If you buy a mobile device, It comes preloaded with an OS specific to the device. Android OS is the most popular operating system as of today. It is a mobile based Linux kernel and open source software. It was developed by Google and the first Android device was launched in 2008. Mobile operating system operates like hardware and operating system are interconnected on the both the ways. And application user uses the application instructions are sent to the operating system and then the hardware so it gets executed. Functions of mobile operating system: memory management, process management or CPU scheduling, device management, file management, device security, error detection. Types of mobile OS: Android OS, then Bada, Samsung Electronics, BlackBerry OS, iPhone OS or iOS, Windows Mobile OS. And these are some types of mobile operating systems like Android, then Windows Mobile, iPhones or iOS. So let us learn about operating systems. Difference between mobile operating system and desktop operating system. Mobile operating system versus desktop operating system. So the definition is mobile operating system. It allows smartphones, tablet PCs and other devices to run applications and programs. Desktop OS, main control program or environment through which user controls a personal computer and it manages all applications and programs in a computer. Purpose: Mobile OS manages cellular and wireless connectivity and phone access. Desktop operating system manages hardware and software resources of the system. Boot time: Mobile OS boots faster than desktop OS. Desktop OS it is much slower. Storage: Mobile OS uses flash drive to store data or information. Desktop OS uses hard drives or flash drives to store data or information. Power requirements in mobile OS optimized to work under minimal power requirements and have featured to prevent energy loss. Desktop OS is not readily optimized for energy loss. Interface: Mobile OS operates with touchscreen or touchpad. Desktop OS PC operates via many input devices such as mouse, keyboard, etc. Mobile OS memory usage optimized to work on minimum RAM. Desktop OS requires good amount of memory to operate. So let us learn about features and OS flavors of different types of mobile OS and operate desktop OS. So features of mobile operating system specialized for specific set of devices, don't offer complete access to system hardware, limited or no interoperability. In desktop OS, full featured, designed to take advantage of fast CPUs, large amount of disk space and RAM. Based on x86 majorly, it is more flexible in terms and interoperability. Then OS layers of mobile operating systems are Apple iOS, Google Android, Beta, BlackBerry OS, iPhone OS or iOS, Symbian OS, Windows Mobile OS, Harmony OS, Palm OS, Web OS, etc. Then desktop OS, Windows 10, Mac OS, Windows Vista, etc. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.